Everyone. My name is Paula Thompson. I am a junior here at Nebraska Methodist College in the traditional BSN program. A little bit about myself. I was originally born in Honduras and then I was adopted when I was a year old. I have lived in Memphis, Tennessee, Temple, Texas, and have been in Omaha since 2001. My mom is a retired pediatric hematologist oncologist. She is definitely the biggest inspiration as to why I chose to go into the medical profession in the first place. And I am very grateful that I have my mom because she has been my biggest support system and my rock, especially being in college because it's not easy, especially nursing school. It's definitely a struggle some days. Um, I have a 10-year-old daughter. Her name is Yasleen. She is the light of my life. She definitely keeps me on my toes and very busy because she's obviously in school. She plays soccer and she also plays the violin. So I definitely have a pretty busy schedule. I would have to say a leader that I look up to would be Michelle Obama. I just think she is such an inspirational woman, a very strong woman, and I love that she has always stayed very humble to who she is. Um, Being in the White House and in the spotlight, I'm sure it can take its toll on you as a person, but she never let that affect who she was. She stayed very true to her opinions and what she found to be important, and she didn't let what others had to say about her um, change her perspective of what she felt and how strong and passionate she was about certain topics. Um, so yeah, I think she's an incredible woman. But yeah, besides that, I just hope everyone has a great semester and I can't wait to get to know you guys more.